Stop right there. Using the wrong workbench could collapse under pressure and ruin your entire project. Many people waste money on unstable setups without realizing it. Today, I'm going to show you top 5 best portable workbenches that are strong, reliable, and surprisingly affordable. One of these could completely change how you work. Stay with me. You'll want to see this. Let's start. Number 5. TLGREEN Multifunctional Folding Work Table redefines versatility for any workspace, serving as a workbench, sawhorse, scaffold, platform, car creeper, dolly, or hand truck all in one. Crafted with aluminum, steel, and durable plastic, it supports up to 440 pounds in scaffold or platform mode and 330 pounds for other uses. Ready in under 30 seconds with no tools required, it folds compactly for easy storage and portability. The feature-rich top includes a detachable tool tray, pre-drilled clamp holes, and an easy clean surface, while the adjustable height and heavy-duty wheels with brakes offer stability, mobility, and effortless handling, making it perfect for professional projects. Number 4. Keter Folding Work Table delivers a professional-grade portable workspace designed for serious DIY and job site performance. This heavy-duty workbench features a spacious surface supporting up to 1,000 pounds and includes powerful 12-inch clamps that mount horizontally or vertically for secure material control. Built from weather-resistant polypropylene and reinforced resin with strong aluminum legs, it resists rust, peeling, and dents for long-term durability. The quick fold system creates a ready-to-work station in just 30 seconds with no assembly, offering excellent portability, reliability, stability, and real value for garages, woodworking shops, and demanding work sites. Number 3. ONCUPID Express Folding Work Table is a professional-grade portable workbench designed for serious garage and job site efficiency. The 34-inch by 25-inch surface with durable plastic top and steel legs supports up to 1,000-pound loads, delivering strong stability for demanding projects. Quick fold technology sets up in under 3 seconds, while the 23-pound lightweight frame ensures easy transport. Bench dog holes, X grooves, and built-in measurement guides improve clamping accuracy and workflow. Ideal for woodworking, repairs, and DIY jobs, it offers reliable durability, space-saving portability, and everyday professional value. Number 2. Pony Portable Folding Work Table instantly grabs attention as a rugged 2-in-1 workstation designed for serious jobs. This aluminum-built work table quickly converts from a stable workbench to a heavy-duty sawhorse, delivering impressive versatility. Product features include a massive 500-pound table load capacity and up to 1,000-pound sawhorse support, plus 6 adjustable height levels from 30 inches to 35 inches for precise working comfort. Technical details highlight a durable aluminum frame, 31 inches 25-inch work surface, and included clamps, bench dogs, and safety straps. Pros include its superior stability, portability, and fast folding design, making it ideal for demanding garage, construction, or DIY projects. Number 1. Worx Pegasus 2-in-1 Folding Work Table delivers a smart portable workstation built for serious DIY and job site tasks. Its dual-mode design quickly converts from a sturdy 31-inch workbench to a heavy-duty sawhorse, supporting up to 300 pounds as a table and an impressive 1,000 pounds as a sawhorse. Molded ABS with steel supports ensures durability, while the lightweight fold-and-go build improves portability. Integrated quick clamps and clamp dogs deliver secure precision holding, while the large surface and built-in measuring guide boost accuracy and productivity.